You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names. The name of these, some call it a condition, and that's when you fidget, or when you're sensitive to seeing other people fidget, so you kind of react to other people fidgeting. It's quite trendy on TikTok at the moment. Misokinesia. That's your English pronunciation here. Misokinesia. Not kinesia, not misokinesia. Misokinesia. It's easy, and now you know. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.